let me show you guys what I have, just so you guys see what's going on behind the scenes. John, you are converting Notion to Anki.olmar.com app into a desktop app. Yes, I actually have it working locally. Like, it's not a huge version where it's still like, I want to polish this, but I'm going to show you. Let's discuss this, guys. I want to hear what you guys think. So this is the Electron desktop app I have, right? It says Notion to Anki. This is desktop app is very much under development. It currently enables you to run it locally. And why do you want to run it locally, right? Ask yourself that question. Why would you want to run that locally? Well, it turns out that, let me show you guys a bug. There is a student, right, who has a bug where if he uploads his payload to Notion to Anki, he's gonna hit error, like, oh no, wait, not here. Let me do it on the live server. So basically, it's gonna mostly work, but then it's gonna fail. So I'm uploading a almost 200 meg file. So Marcel is saying the design could be nicer. On the desktop app, yes, this is just in prototype. Navigation does not even work. I can't get back to the beginning now. Yeah, how do I get back? I think I just have to write location.href is equal to index.html. No, that didn't work. I have to stop the app and relaunch it. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of slow, right? It's still running in this is the live version. But look what happens if I do it in the local version. I'm gonna go start, click there, click upload. Just look at how fast it is locally. Right? It's still taking time because it's huge. The payload is 187 megs. I replaced the local one. But on the live version, on the website, it's gonna take forever and it's gonna fail eventually. Because thanks for everybody who came to hang out, and it was nice resolving some of the issues for the desktop app. We still have some paths that are still missing for the Azar stuff. I'll try to see if I'm gonna fix them tonight, and then maybe have a new version ready on GitHub and then send that out to a few students. I want to give access to a few people in the beginning. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.